This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video. As we age, our bodies undergo significant changes that can affect our health in numerous ways. For seniors, regular checkups and preventive screenings become increasingly crucial. They serve as a first line of defense, safeguarding our well-being by catching potential issues early before they become more severe or harder to treat. Today, we'll delve into why these medical routines are so vital for our revered elderly population. Regular checkups provide a comprehensive overview of a senior's health status. During these appointments, healthcare professionals can monitor chronic conditions, discuss any new symptoms, and adjust treatments as necessary. This proactive approach can prevent complications and keep chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease in check. Preventive screenings, on the other hand, are specialized tests tailored to detect health concerns that might not yet present symptoms. Screenings for colorectal cancer, osteoporosis, vision, and hearing are just a few examples. When conducted regularly, these tests offer early detection, giving seniors the best chance at effective treatment and recovery. Moreover, these health evaluations provide a platform for seniors to discuss lifestyle choices with their doctors. Guidance on diet, exercise, vaccination updates, and mental health resources can empower seniors to live healthier, more active lives. Reducing risks of common ailments associated with aging. Mental health is another critical component. Regular checkups can help identify early signs of depression or anxiety, often unnoticed yet significantly impactful on everyday life. Addressing these issues promptly can enhance quality of life and daily functioning. Moreover, the peace of mind that comes with knowing one's health status can significantly contribute to a senior's overall well-being. Rather than worrying about potential illnesses, seniors can focus their energy on enjoying life, spending time with family, and engaging in activities they love. In summary, regular checkups and preventive screenings are not merely routine tasks. They are essential practices that help maintain health and vitality as we age. Encouraging seniors to prioritize these health check-ins is a vital step in ensuring they lead fulfilling, healthy lives. So let's champion the cause and help our seniors step confidently into their golden years. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.